Brad Williams, Frugal Finance, plain vanilla, pay fixed interest rate swap. Figure 221.1 is also clear that a similar strategy can be used to create a plain vanilla pay fixed interest rate swap. To create the pay fixed swap, one would issue a corporate fixed coupon bond and buy an FRN. Using the same bond and FRN described in 21.1, issuing a fixed coupon bond and buying an FRN will result in no net principal cash flows, and our 4 annual flows equal to SOFR times 40 million minus 2.4 million. Other more complex interest rate swaps can be interpreted as more complex bond portfolios by following the same basic strategy. Fixed for fixed currency swap. To create a fixed for fixed currency swap, one can buy a bond denominated in one currency and issue a bond denominated in a second currency. For example, assume that one wishes to create a fixed for fixed currency swap with a notional principal of 50 million euro and a tenure of 5 years with annual payments to pay US dollar and receive euros. Assume that the spot exchange rate is $1 to euro 0.8. Prevailing interest rate, Euribor, is 7%. The US rate is 6%. In the example, one wishes to receive euros and pay dollars. So the fixed for fixed swap is created by buying the euro denominated bond and issuing a dollar denominated bond. With a desired notional amount of euro 50 million and an exchange rate of 0.8, the issuance would be a dollar denominated bond with a principal amount of 40 million. The upper panel of figure 21.2 right here shows the separate cash flows from buying the euro denominated bond and issuing the dollar denominated bond. The lower panel shows the overall cash flows from the combined purchase and sale. In the lower panel, at the outset, the net flow is to receive 40 million and pay euro 50 million. At the end of 5 years, the principal payments will be to receive 50 million euro and pay 40 million US. In addition, there will be 5 annual coupon payments of 2.4 million and a coupon receipt of euro 3.5 million. The cash flows in the lower panel that we've been describing are the same cash flow as a fixed for fixed currency swap to receive euros and pay US dollars with a notional principal of euro 50 million and a tenure of 5 years with annual payments. Thus, we may analyze a fixed for fixed currency swap as being equivalent to purchasing a bond in one currency and issuing a bond in another currency. Think through it. It's pretty straightforward. Now, how about plain vanilla currency swap 2? And again, exchange LIBOR, the word LIBOR for SOFR. I just haven't done it. A plain vanilla currency swap may be analyzed also in terms of a 2-bond portfolio. To create a plain vanilla currency swap, pay floating US dollar and receive fixed foreign currency, one would issue a dollar denominated FRN and buy a foreign bond. Consider a party that issues at par an annual coupon FRN for 20 million with a maturity of 3 years to pay SOFR. With an exchange rate of 1 to 120 yen, this same party also buys a yen-denominated bond at par with a market value of yen 2.4 billion, a maturity of 3 years, an annual coupon payment of 5 years. The upper panel here shows the cash flows associated with each bond, while the lower panel here shows the combined flows from the 2 bonds. In combination, these 2 bonds have the same cash flow as a plain vanilla currency swap to pay SOFR and receive fixed yen with a notional principal of 20 million, annual payments, and a tenure of 3 years. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. See you soon.